Hey guys, Todd here. If you're considering getting a hard folding cover, we'll show you two of our top sellers and what makes them so popular. The Solid Fold 2.0 is all about simplicity. For the typical truck bed, it comes out of the box completely assembled and installs in minutes. It'll fold on top of itself to give room for taller cargo, and it can be removed easily if you want complete bed access. It's impact resistant and it keeps your gear safe and secure. The BAKflip MX4 has an ultra low profile and a matte black finish that just looks incredible. It can be folded all the way up and secured against the cab so you can haul the bigger items without even removing the cover. And when the payload has been delivered, you just fold it back to the tailgate so you can secure whatever tools or toys that you keep in your bed. So what kind of cover do you prefer? Let us know down in the comments. If you want to know more about the product you just saw, well, we've got links in the description for that. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and ring that bell if you want to be notified every time we release new content. As always, if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.